What happens to investments in Sukanya Samruddhi account on the death of the investor? That's a topic for discussion today in the Market Secrets investment series. Before we get started, I'd like to mention that we at Market Secrets had recently launched Algo Traders Program ATP. If you are someone who is interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, then you can consider joining our ATP program. I'll leave the link to it in the description section of this video. And with that note, let's jump into today's session. So what happens to Sukanya Samruddhi account on the death of the investor? So on the death of the investor, the guardian can claim the invested amount. So let's look at what are the documents needed first. First one is death certificate of the account holder. Number two, Form 2 filled by the guardian. So all the Sukanya Samruddhi accounts will have the guardian. So the guardian should file the Form 2. So now let's look at what happens to Sukanya Samruddhi account when the investor dies. Okay, so the account should be closed immediately on the Form 2 submission. So you are a guardian, you are filing Form 2. So once you submit it, account should be immediately closed on the Form 2 submission. Okay, so that's the first thing. And all the money should be paid to the guardian on the account closer. So they should immediately close the account and the amount should be paid out to the guardian. And when it comes to the interest rate, right, Sukanya Samruddhi account rate is applicable till the death of the investor. So till the date of death, right, you will get the high interest rate provided by Sukanya Samruddhi account. But from the date of the death to the date of closure of the account, right, post office savings bank account is applicable. Okay, so interest rate will drop steeply from the date of the death. So it's better to close the account as early as possible. Otherwise, you'll be getting very low interest rate, which is equal to post office savings bank account. And when it comes to premature close of the account also, we need to follow the same process. So the process is very simple. On the death of the account holder, we need to fill Form 2. I mean, the guardian should fill Form 2 and they need to attach the death certificate of the account holder. And once that is submitted, account should be closed immediately and the payout should be credited to the guardian. So this is what happens when account holder of the Sukanya Samruddhi account dies. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section. Also hit the like, share and subscribe buttons if you find this video useful.